What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Bald back in the house. Well, I finally did it. I waxed the Sandstone Sherpa lining Carhartt jacket I got with the hoodie. So yeah, it's about time. Went ahead and did it. So this is just one thin layer of wax. Since I'm using the bar and I'm just lightly wiping it, to really get that waterproof coat. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to do this like 10 times. It's not like I'm sitting there putting pressure in. Some people use one bar on one jacket. I've used that bar multiple times, so obviously I'm just putting on light coats every time I do it and just heating it up, and then over time the wax will start to build up after doing it a handful of times. But I don't feel like putting all my energy pushing down, scrubbing one bar on the jacket. Plus, doing light coats like that, I think works better because I can just lightly put a coat on, it's all even, and then do it again later, and I could add on wax as much as I need or want to. So anyway, just a quick vid I wanted to make and show you that I actually did it. So if you go look at the jacket in the other videos, compared to future videos you may see of this jacket, you'll definitely see the difference after putting more coats on there like you did with the vest. Anyway, just making a quick vid. Talk to you guys later. Peace.